Benefits of daily meditation. 1. Better focus and concentration. Mindfulness meditation helps you focus on the here and now, which can improve your concentration in your day-to-day life and tasks. The Harvard Medical School conducted a study in 2011 where they took a look at the effects of mindfulness meditation on the brain and found a link between mindfulness and processing new information. The researchers studied the brain of 17 individuals before and after taking part in an 8-week meditation program. Brain scans showed an increase in gray matter in the parts of the brain responsible for learning, memory, and emotional regulation. In addition, a 2016 study from researchers at Carnegie Mellon University showed how mindfulness meditation can better concentration and the ability to make decisions. The study involved 25 unemployed adults searching for work. One group participated in a relaxation program that lasted 3 days without mindfulness meditation components, while the other group took part in 3 days of mindfulness meditation. Brain scans before and after revealed an increase in connectivity among parts of the brain that control attention for the meditation group. Richard Davidson, PhD, a professor of psychology and psychiatry at the University of Wisconsin and founder of the Center for Healthy Minds, said that research shows we can actually train our attention and our meta-awareness, and that this is a learnable skill. 2. Improve self-esteem and awareness. The great thing about mindfulness meditation is that it encourages you to slow down, allows for deeper self-reflection, and help you discover positive traits about yourself. Mindfulness helps elevate self-awareness by increasing the ability to examine one's thoughts and feelings without judgment, which ends up improving self-esteem, says Brian Wind, PhD, Chief Clinical Officer at Journey Pure. Mindfulness meditation can especially help those with social anxiety, according to researchers at Stanford University. In a 2009 study published in the Journal of Cognitive Psychotherapy, 14 participants with social anxiety disorder participated in 2 months of meditation training and reported decreased anxiety and improved self-esteem at the end of the program. In another study, 153 adults who used a mindfulness meditation app for a fortnight experienced reduced feelings of loneliness and increased social contact compared with those in a control group. Other forms of meditation teach you to recognize thoughts that may be harmful or self-defeating. The idea is that as you gain more awareness of your thought habits, you can steer them toward more constructive patterns. A center review of 27 studies showed that practicing Tai Chi may be linked to improved self-efficiency, which is the term used to describe a person's belief in their own capacity or ability to overcome obstacles. Moreover, experience in meditation may cultivate more creative problem-solving skills. 3. Reduces stress. Mindfulness meditation can also lower the levels of cortisol, the stress hormone which helps you feel more relaxed. In a 2013 review, researchers examined over 200 studies of mindfulness meditation among healthy people and found meditation to be an effective way to reduce stress. Repeating a mantra, such as a word or phrase during meditation, can also have a calming effect, and by concentrating on your mantra, you're able to shift your focus away from distracting thoughts. David Foley, founder of Unify Cosmos, a meditation center in Oklahoma, says that transcendental meditation has a similar effect, in which you silently repeat a word or sound to keep yourself focused, and the end result is that you're able to reach a state of stability and complete stillness. A 2019 study, for example, demonstrated a reduction in psychological distress among teachers and support staff who participated in a transcendental meditation program. Researchers used stress scales before and after the program to measure the participants' levels of burnout, stress, and depression. After receiving a 7-step transcendental meditation course, participants practiced meditation 2 times daily for about 15 to 20 minutes over a period of 4 months and reported lower levels of stress and burnout than before. 4. Manage anxiety or depression. Mindfulness meditation helps train your mind to concentrate on the present, making the likelihood of ruminating on anxious thoughts that can fuel depression lessen. A 2014 research analysis published in JAMA International Medicine found that mindfulness meditation can indeed help ease anxiety and depression, and could be part of a thorough mental health treatment plan. Research also supports the benefits of mindfulness-based stress reduction, MBSR, which is the therapy program that incorporates mindfulness meditation. Studies suggest that MBSR can help with anxiety, calm their minds, and lessen symptoms of depression, including sleeping troubles, feeling low, and loss of appetite. 5. Fight addiction. Meditation can indeed change the brain receptors associated with drugs and alcohol addiction. which may reduce cravings for these substances. Additionally, mindfulness meditation can increase your awareness of cravings and allow you to manage them better. And this awareness is really powerful because it can allow you to ride the urge or the craving without getting overcome by it. You can notice the urge, that it's there, but you don't have to give into it. A study published in Substance Abuse and Rehabilitation found that mindfulness training can help prevent future relapses for people with substance abuse disorder, as it produces a therapeutic effect that helps control how the brain experiences pleasure. 6. Control pain. Your perception of pain is connected to your state of mind, and it can be elevated in stressful conditions. Many doctors recommend mindful meditation practices as a part of a comprehensive pain management plan. A 2020 study of more than 6,400 participants across 60 trials found that meditation could reduce pain in those who are in agony from surgical, chronic, or acute pain. One review of 38 studies concluded that mindfulness meditation could reduce pain, improve quality of life, and decrease symptoms of depression in people with chronic pain. A large meta-analysis of studies, enrolling close to 3,500 participants, concluded that meditation was associated with decreased pain. Those who meditated and those who didn't experienced the same causes of pain, but meditators demonstrated a greater ability to cope with pain and even experienced a reduced sensation of pain. It's not going to be a cure-all for everything, and it won't necessarily make the pain go away. We can recognize that the pain is there, but we don't get ensnared by it in the same way, and that can be enormously beneficial in helping cope with chronic pain. 7. Make you more kind or loving. Loving kindness meditation, also known as metta, can help foster compassion for yourself and others as well. It strengthens circuits in the brain that pick up on people's emotions, encourages altruistic behavior, and decreases the implicit or unconscious bias responsible for conserving harmful stereotypes. To begin a loving-kindness meditation, you might think of a loved one and wish them happiness. From there, you can extend that love to yourself and other people in your life. You can use a phrase like, "May you enjoy happiness," as you envision that person in your mind. People learn to extend this kindness and forgiveness to first their friends, then acquaintances, and ultimately enemies through practice. A meta-analysis of 22 studies on this form of meditation demonstrated its ability to increase people's compassion towards themselves and others. Another study involving 50 college students showed that practicing metta meditation 3 times a week improved positive emotions, interpersonal interactions, and understanding of others after a month. 8. It may reduce age-related memory loss. Clarity of thinking and improvements in attention may help you keep your mind young. Kirtan Kriya is a method of meditation that combines a chant or mantra with repetitive motion of the fingers to focus your thoughts. Studies in people with age-related memory loss have shown that it improves performance on neuropsychological tests. Furthermore, a review found initial evidence that several styles can improve memory, attention span, and mental quickness in older volunteers. Besides fighting normal age-related memory loss, this form of meditation can improve memory, partially in patients with dementia. Likewise, it can help regulate stress and improve coping in those caring for family members with dementia. 9. Improves sleep. Close to 50% of the population will struggle with insomnia at some point in life. One study compared mindfulness-based meditation programs and discovered that people who meditated remained asleep longer and had improved insomnia severity compared to those who had an unmeditated control condition. Developing skills in meditation may help you control or channel the racing or runaway thoughts that often lead to insomnia. In addition to that, it can help calm your body, releasing tension and placing you in a peaceful state in which you're more likely to fall asleep. 10. It can lower blood pressure. Meditation can also improve physical health by reducing strain on the heart. Over time, high blood pressure makes the heart work a little harder to pump blood, which can lead to the poor functioning of the heart. High blood pressure also contributes to atherosclerosis, which is caused by the narrowing of the arteries, which may lead to heart attack or stroke. An analysis of 12 studies, including almost 1,000 volunteers, found that meditation helps reduce blood pressure. This was more effective among the older participants and those who had higher blood pressure before the study. One review in particular concluded that multiple types of meditation produce similar improvements in blood pressure. In part, meditation seems to regulate blood pressure by relaxing the nerve signals that coordinate heart function, blood vessel tension, and the fight-or-flight response that increases alertness in stressful situations. 11. Short meditation